Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have another fun and quick easy project for you guys to make, and it's another flipbook idea for happy mailing, or if you do snail mailing. It's also a great little flipbook or mini album if you wanted to put some photos in here, or just a fun little project for you to make if you wanted to send this off in a swap group, or just to send off to somebody with some goodies in it. So this is how the flipbook looks like. It's another fun, easy project. It can still hold a few things in here, and there are a few pockets as well for you to store some goodies in here. So the flipbook measures 4 inches by 6 inches, and again you only need one piece of 12 by 12 paper to make one of these cute little flipbooks. So when you open it up, you get a side pocket here where you can put some stuff in there, and there is also another side pocket in here. Just to quickly show you, which I didn't have, just grab this so you can see. So there is another little spot in here as well if you wanted to add some more goodies in there, but I also just use this to place my altered paper clips just to keep them in place. So that's just another way to hold your paper clips in your flipbook. And then on this side here you get a pocket, a side pocket, where I put some washi samples in there. And there's also another pocket here on the side where I just put in some blank tags. So they go in there. And then when you turn it over, I put a envelope, and I use my mini We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to make this size envelope, and it's the 2 by 3 inch size envelope using the mini punch board. And then you turn this page over, and there's also another envelope in here to put some more goodies or a note. And this is the last page. I've just embellished the page with a journaling card, and on the top here is a deeper pocket where you can store larger goodies in there. So I've just got a sticker pack that I put in there, and just a pack of one of my embellishments that I've made using one of my bag topper dies. So that's the pocket that goes in there. Oops. Just to show you. So it is a nice deep pocket. And then when you turn that over, I've just added another coin envelope using some vellum, and that was just using one of my envelope dies to make this coin envelope. So this is a really easy project, and I'm going to show you how you can make one of these as well. So what you need to make one of those is you just need a piece of 12 by 12 paper, and then what you want to do is you want to cut it in half. So you get 2 pieces, and you want to cut it at 6 inches. So then you cut it at 6 inches, so you'll get 6 inches by 12 inch. So you cut 2 of those, and that will cut at 6 inches by 12 inches. And then using a scoreboard, if you don't have a scoreboard, you can just mark it with a pencil. You want to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches on your 12-inch side. And you want to do the same with your other piece, scoring it at 4 inches and 8 inches. And then what we want to do here, with one of your pieces, on this side here, on your right side panel, we're just going to get some double-sided tape. Or you can use your glue. I've got here the 1/8 of an inch wide double-sided tape. You're just going to place a bit of the double-sided tape just on the bottom of the score line. So we'll just put that there, just on the bottom, not directly on the score line. Okay, so you just want to put it there, and then we'll just peel that off. If I can get that off, we'll go on this side. Okay. So you've got your tape there. Then we're going to grab the other piece, and on the right side panel again, we're going to bring this 2 panel over. Just fold that over, just like that. And then just on that fold line, we are going to align that fold line and adhere it onto that tape that we've just placed. And just putting that just below that score line. Right, so then what your page will look like, you'll have those two flaps, and then this side here will also have an opening, just like that. And then once you've got that, I'm just going to use my scoreboard. Just one. Yes, sorry, I'm just doing a video. Sorry, that was just my brother. Alright, so then what we're going to do here on that panel there, I'm just going to use my scoreboard here. Now you can just use your pencil or mark it. We're just going to score it at the 3-inch mark, and we're just going to score it and bring it all the way down to that score line, just that first score line, and that's the one with the flap. So we're just going to make a mark at the 3-inch, and then you're just going to bring it down to that score line, and then we're just going to cut out that one that we've just scored or that you've marked with your pencil, just using your scissors. Just cut that right up over to that score line. Okay, so you'll have your flaps looking like that. Now I'm just going to I'm just going to cut another little piece off that, just a tiny bit. That way, they're your two little pockets. It's just it'll be easy for it to open and close. So I've just cut off a little piece like that, and just pull that out. Just use the scissors. So that's what you'll have. And what we'll do here, we're just going to bring that back over, just like that. We might just put it like that, sorry. So what we've got here, we'll have those two flaps that open up, just like that. We're just going to open this up. We're going to apply some glue just to the top here and to the bottom of that flap. I'm just going to use my liquid glue for this one. So just apply a bit of glue just to that top flap and to the bottom. Okay, then just press that down and close that, and that will create that pocket. And then we'll just repeat that with the bottom one and opening that up, and again just applying glue just to the top there and to the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, just apply some glue there and to the bottom. You can use your double-sided tape if you want to as well, and then just press that down. Just stuck together. Okay, so that's your flap done, and you can then just grab your paper, one of your circle round paper punch if you have, and you can just make a thumb notch just here on the end if you wanted to. Just going to, I'll do that just to show you. So you can do that, and then same with the other side. So that's done. Then we're going to just open these two parts open and just go like that. Now we're just going to create this page here. So what we do here, we'll just bring that over that way. So what we're going to do here, we're going to grab this side and we're just going to fold it on that score line, just like that. And press that down. Now at this point, you can have two ways. You can create a pocket where you have this flap and folding that over that way, and then that'll create a pocket on the top there, and then you just apply glue to the corner there and then adhere that. But we're going to make this pocket here. So to make that pocket, all you do is bring this over and just fold it over about halfway, and then just pressing that down, and then we are just going to open it, apply glue to the top here and to the bottom. Bring that over and we'll seal that up. And then we're going to apply glue over here up to that fold line and at the bottom up to the fold line, and then we'll just bring that back and press that down, and that will create that side pocket. So that page, your front page is done, your two flaps are done, so we can bring them over. Now we're working on the last page. Now this panel here, we are just going to fold that over like that, and that will create that top pocket. Now if you have a thumb notch, if you wanted a thumb notch as well, you can just do that first before we sew the pocket. And then we are going to then apply glue to the bottom here and along the side here. So we'll just go and do that. Now if this page will go like that. If your book doesn't quite close, you can just trim off a little bit of that edge there, just so your book can close. I'm just going to apply glue now to the edge here, and then also to the bottom. And then we'll just fold that over, and that creates your back pocket. And that's all there is to it. So we'll close that up, and there's your book completely done. Very easy. So we'll just bring that over now. So what you have here is you'll have your first page, and there's your pocket there, which is that pocket in here. I'll use this one. And then you'll have your side pocket there, which is that side pocket. And then you'll have your two little coin flaps, which is that one, and then you've got your bottom one here. Just open it up, which is that one there, and that's that bottom one there. Turn that over, we'll turn that over, and that's just your back page where you can embellish, or like I've done here, you can add envelopes. And that's your back side here, which is this one here, and that's your pocket on the top here. That goes in there, which is this pocket here. And that's all there is to it to make this fun flip book using just one piece of 12x12 paper. Another easy project for you if you wanted to make one of these. So I do hope you give this one a go and send one of these off to one of your pen pals or as Happymail. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all soon. Thank you. Bye for now.